This is Raffles Bay, Hong Kong. As you see, maganda po siya. Ayan, nakikita nyo. Ito po yung Raffles Bay, Hong Kong. This is Hong Kong. Enjoy the views. Ayan, makikita nyo sa baba is golf course. Deepwater Bay. Deepwater Bay, Hong Kong. That is Deepwater Bay, Hong Kong.